สวัสดีครับโอ้ so nice Welcome to Cooking with Mon channel Today I gonna cook tom kha the most delicious creamy coconut soup I'm not alone here my kids Millie and Manu are joining me but first let's go to the garden and grab some fresh ingredients coriander We use the coriander root and the whole stem. Kaffir lime.
Follow me.
Follow Manu. Manu, which one a big kaffir lime tree? Here we go. Lime. Hey. Looking for authentic tom kha? You need to find this galangal and best friend of galangal, lemongrass. This is the most important ingredient in tom kha, galangal. I want you guys to smell this one.
So good.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna chew it all. You don't need to swallow it, okay? Let's do it together.
It's spicy.
It's spicy, eh? Go, do drink water. Galangal. Spicy. Huh? And what is this?
Lemongrass. Look at inside of it. Looks so beautiful. Smells really good.
Smell like Thailand here already. So fresh.
Can you eat lemongrass?
Yes, we can. Good question. We can eat lemongrass. And galangal, can we eat them?
Yeah.
Yes, we eat them. But do we eat lemongrass and galangal in tom kha? 90% we say no. Only for the flavor. How to slice it is up to you basically. If you want to eat them, you can cut nice thin slice. But for me, I'm gonna go for flavor mostly. I'm gonna go bigger chunk. When we smash galangal, we wanna release more stronger flavor. This time, you got love mushroom? Well done, Manu. Now put it here. This one we put it. Okay. Yes.
Look, I can do it.
Yes, very good, Millie and Manu. Okay. Yeah. Beautiful, Manu. Hang in here. Can go big chunk like this or smaller. Here we go. Now you hold this side as well. Come. Good job. Good job. Oh. We've done coriander here, so we're not gonna use just the stem, we're gonna use the whole thing. The root is give you the stronger flavor. Remember, where's the hand? Well done. And then what to do with this? Look at it, Papa. Smash it. Smash, smash, smash. Go ahead, smash it. Well done. Wow. Gonna bring in the tomato, right? What do you call it Thai? Ma khur tet. Well done. Smash it like this. See? Lime. What to do with lime? Definitely. Like this. Kaffir lime. Yes. It's spicy. Today I use chicken with the bone. because I love the juicy flavor there. At home, guys, you feel free to use any type of meat you like. Shrimp or chicken breast, tofu, or different versions. For my kids, you want to add more of the vegetable in your tom kha. I have the beautiful broccoli, cauliflower, and carrot. Yes, let's start. I'll start with my coconut milk. Water. Tom kha soup is very quick dish to cook. Galangal in, followed by lemongrass, shallot, coriander root. You like spicy? I put 2 chili. Kaffir lime leaf. But before you put them in, just break the leaf here. Pinch of salt in. Ready for my chicken thing. After you put chicken in, cook very quick, yeah? So you can go ahead, drop the onion, tomato. Oh, mushroom you have. Here we go. Now it's time for flavor. What Mon gonna add it in is the fish sauce and sugar. Remember how Mon cooking? We just close my eye like this and dance with me. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. Is that in the pot?
Not sure.
I hope so. A little bit of sugar. Pinch of sugar in. Always. What I want to add a little bit more is the more fish sauce a little bit. Now I'm happy with the sweet flavor, salty and spicy. I would dash more a little bit of the coconut milk on top. Wow. What about coriander, Mon? Beautiful. The last ingredient, what is that? Sour from the lime. What to do before the lime? Turn off your fire. Here we go. Squeeze and smile with me. Squeeze and smile. Oh, beautiful. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful, beautiful the Tom Ka Gai here. Oh, let me taste for you again. Gonna try? I love my job. So, if you like my Tom Ka Gai, don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Mon channel. Come and cook with me and dance with me together. ขอบคุณครับ for today. Oh. Kiss me. Mwah. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Wow, so good. Squeeze and smile. One the last touch.